I'm here today with a clothing haul. These are some athletic pieces that I'm super excited to share with you guys today. This video is partnering with Fabletics, which I'm so excited because I've never tried Fabletics before, but you guys know I love fitness wear, athleisure wear, workout clothing. It's what I spend most of my day wearing. I've been a VIP member of Just Fab for like 7 years, and I've purchased so many like handbags and shoes, so it's only natural that I would now like switch over to Fabletics land. I don't know what's taken me so long to try out their products. I have seen so many people rave about their leggings, their sports bras, and they have amazingly cute clothes, and they're always getting new stuff. So if you're not familiar with Fabletics, it is a subscription service. It's $49.95 a month to be a VIP member. You skip it anytime. That way, if money is tight or you don't see anything you like that month, you can skip it and you're not charged. But it's fun getting new clothes every month or every other month, whatever your budget or your preferences allow. And so I picked out some really, really great pieces, and I cannot wait to share them with you. I will have a link down below that will give you 2 pairs of leggings for $24, which is a killer deal. That's $12 for a pair of leggings. Like, I can't even go to TJ Maxx and get a cute pair of leggings for $12. So thanks so much Fabletics for giving that offer to my subscribers. And so let's get into the things that I picked out. I'm going to share with you my thoughts on sizing, quality, all of that. So if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay a while by hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up before you leave. And now let's get into each product and how it wears. First is the Ryna Hoodie, and I got this in an extra small, and it is a really cute, obviously, hoodie. It's a beautiful mauve pink. You guys know that this color is my life. I love it. It does have pockets. It also has this really cool drawstring detail along the bottom, so you can make it tight and a little bit more of a cropped type look, like not super short cropped, but like cropped as in it hits right above your waist. Super, super cozy. It is oversized and baggy, so if you like more of that loose, baggy fit, I think you'll really, really like this. The sleeves are nice and big, and it's just so comfortable and cozy. So I think that this runs true to size. This is the quality is really, really nice, and the inside has that super soft, like fleecy material on the inside. So I really love this. I was definitely impressed with the quality of it. And if you love this color and you love the way that it fits, I definitely recommend checking this one out. Next is the Celeste Sports Bra. I got this in the shade gray, or the color gray. I love this so much. I got it in a size small, which technically in most bras, sports bras, I am a size small. I could have gone to an extra small because this is actually a little bit big on me. So if you are like a 32D or a 34C size, I think you would definitely want to size down to an extra small, because this was a little bit big on me, especially like around the armpit area. So it does have removable cup pads. It's a gorgeous like blue gray, which I love. I love the detail that it looks like a double sports bra. Very, very comfortable. The back is also really cute. I think this is incredibly well made. This reminds me of quality of some of my Lululemon bras. Those are obviously far more expensive, but I'm usually like a size 6 to 8 in Lululemon sports bras. So if you're similar sizing, you probably want to get a size extra small in the sports bras, because these were a little bit big, but the quality is incredible. They're very soft, very comfortable. The other sports bra that I got is called the Shira Sports Bra. Definitely a little bit big. I would recommend, again, if you're the same size, going to an extra small. But I love the detail on it. It has this really cute mesh like detail on it. It does have the removable pads. I love the pads in this because it doesn't give that weird, like, you know how some pads just make your ladies look a little bit strange? These are actually really nice, well-built pads in there. And then the back has nice thick straps. They are adjustable. This one is definitely more of a full support sports bra if I would have gotten it in the correct size. So the only thing is you probably want to size down from what you normally order in sports bras, because most extra small sports bras are so tight and my boobs are usually like popping out. This one I definitely could have gotten an extra small. All right, the next is the Rita High Shine Leggings. These are so cute. Now I wish they were just a little bit higher rised, because I usually like them to go above my belly button, because I got a little bit of a muffin top situation that I like to kind of tuck in. But if you don't have that problem, or you like more of a lower rise leggings. I usually at the gym wear a sports bra or a crop top, so I like the high rise. That way I don't have any like spillage. But if you like to wear like a tank top or a t-shirt or something longer when you work out, these are gonna be perfect. I love the quality of them. They're incredibly soft, and then they have such a cute design and pattern on them. You have this white mesh right here, and then on the back of the leg. Another thing that I love about Fabletics, which I wish all athletic wear companies would do this. I'm 5'1", 5'1.5" on a good day, and almost every single pair of leggings I get, unless they're like a 7/8 length, are too long. They're bunchy at the bottom. I usually have like this much of bunching down along my ankles. They're always way too long. Fabletics has short, regular, and tall. So if you have those long legs and you have issues, you have short legs like me, and you always have extra bunching issues, I'm so happy to find a athletic wear company that makes pants or leggings in a short style, because I hate having so much extra fabric around my ankles. So I love that these come in a short. I did get an extra small, which I feel really does fit me well. They fit beautifully, very nicely. And if you are like a size 4 in Lululemon, I can do size 2, but I feel like it compresses my butt too much. I'm usually like a size 4 in Lululemon, size extra small in most other athletic wear companies. I am an extra small in this, so I do feel like these do run true to size. The sports bras, I would size down. Pants, I feel like run true to size. And I love that they come in a short length. I'm so happy about that. So not least, I picked out a bag. They do have some really cute accessories. About 6 months or a year ago, they had this mauve pink backpack that I regret not buying because it was so cute. And then when I finally went to go buy it, they had completely sold out. They've been having a ton of the beautiful mauve blush tone workout stuff lately because of spring. Mauve blush is so in, and you guys know that I love it so much. So anyways, I picked up this dusty purple quilted bag. It's very, very lightweight, but it's very well made. It doesn't feel cheap. It doesn't feel plasticky. You know how some quilted type stuff can feel a little plasticky? This feels really nice, really well made, and it's huge. So you can use this for your gym bag. You can use this as a diaper bag. You could use this as your purse, as a computer bag. I just love the color of it. A giant pocket. And then on the inside, you have a few little compartments right here, which is why I said it'd be good for a diaper bag, because you do have some compartments on that side. You have a giant zipper mesh on this side. It also comes with another bag that you can put your sweaty, stinky clothes in if you use it as a gym bag. And it's just very large. Like you can fit a lot of stuff in there. So here's what it looks like clipped. You can see it's a little bit narrower. Or if you unclip it, it's going to be more tote-like. Genius. Have you guys tried Fabletics? What are some of your favorite pieces? Please let me know down in the comments below. Again, I will have a link just in case you guys are interested in signing up and taking advantage of the 2 for $24 leggings. You can pick up those leggings and like another pair of leggings if you want. But super cute clothes. I cannot wait to try more of their products, more of their clothing line, more of their accessories, their bags. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks again, Fabletics, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.